So hello all. Today we are going to learn overriding. So what is overriding? In polymorphism, there are two types of things in polymorphism. First is overriding, second is overloading. So today we are going to learn overriding. It is dynamic because it compiles at runtime. So because of it is dynamic in nature, overriding is compiles at runtime. It can extend the functionality of the base class by adding new attributes and method or overriding existing one. So yeah, we can say, let's suppose I have made a method in the parent class with the name of the method, like suppose sum, and in the child class I've also made a method with the same name like sum. So so what it will does, it will override the method of the parent class, and it will show the method only of the child class. So this happens in overriding. So this is the basic idea of overriding. If a method in the child class or derived class have the same name as a method in the base class, the method in the derived class override the base class. So there are another term, very good term is in overriding, that is super function. So super function or overriding, I can say both are you can find in inheritance. So I think you got the idea. What we does inheritance, the child class inherit the behavior or property or method of the parent class. So super function is very useful in this. So what super function it does? Super function is used to call a method from the base class, and it is commonly used in the child or derived class to invoke the overridden method from the base class. So it is the functionality of superclass. So we will, in the next video we will see the coding implementation of this. So don't forget to subscribe or like the video if you have genuinely liked the video.